You searched how to buy shares of Cromwell Property Group. Cromwell is an Australian real estate company focused on commercial and industrial property. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker CMW.ASX, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CMW.ASX to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Cromwell Property Group to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to check basic information. Confirm the exchange shows CBOE AUS and the ticker CMW.ASX so you are on the right page. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order fills. For more details and the example link, check the description below.